We don't want any free checking. Money, 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 money.
Those are some of the big bankers that were part of this commercial campaign. You've probably seen a lot of it. But customers are their #1 priority. They are highly involved in the community, and you can get lower loan rates. Credit unions have many advantages, and Teresa Halleck from the San Diego County Credit Union tells us how you can reap the benefits. I didn't see you on the beach in one of those commercials.
No, you didn't, because it was the bankers coming to life right out of the TV screen.
Well, no, this was a really catchy campaign, and I know it got a lot of people talking. For folks that are really not clear on what the big bank is versus the credit union, lay it on down for us.
Okay, well, San Diego County Credit Union offers great rates on savings and loans. We offer lower fees, and what you have going on in the market right now is many of the mega banks are starting to charge fees. For example, what used to be free checking is no longer free checking, and people, frankly, are getting kind of tired of that, and they're looking around for alternatives. So we thought, what better time than now to call attention to the difference. You can come to San Diego County Credit Union and get a great deal, and you won't be surprised 6 months from now when your free checking, goes away, because our free checking is here to stay.
It never goes away.
It's not going away.
Now, in this economy, can be very challenging, and folks are looking for any way to try to save some cash. What are some ways that you either help people save or you help just take some of the complications out of the banking?
Yeah, we try to make banking very easy for people. So, for example, we have great rates on certificates of deposit. Our free checking is really free. We have free checking with e-statements, so they can help the environment at the same time they're helping themselves by avoiding monthly statement fees. And then on top of that, we offer great loan rates, and we don't have hidden fees on our loans. So, for example, if you're looking for a mortgage, we offer great rates on mortgages, and you won't get surprised when you get your settlement sheet and there's all kinds of charges, because they won't be there with us. We have very little on the way of fees, just what's required.
Now, in order to join a credit union, it's not that tough.
Absolutely not. Just come on in, or actually now you can go online. You don't even have to take time to go into a branch. You can go right online.
You can do it in your bunny slippers in your living room.
2 o'clock in the morning if you'd like, whatever works.
And the best website for folks to go to?
It's SDCCU.com.
As far as shamelessly plugging you, I'll do it. I'm not afraid. You have won awards year after year after year. Tell us about that.
Yes, we've won the best local credit union for 12 years in a row from the San Diego newspaper, the Union Tribune. We're very proud of that. We've also won again this year. We've won also the best place to work, the best home loan provider, and the best financial planning. Those were all 4 categories.
Well, financial planning, that brings me to this next question. I think a lot of folks may perceive big banks of having, all the financial investment experience, but you're able to sit down individually with people and say, let's take a look at your finances and where do we go from here?
Absolutely. We have representatives that will help them sit down and figure out what their life goals are and how we can help them get there, and we're happy to do that for them.
What are some of the things that you think people may not know about you that are your hidden gems?
Well, we have great service, for one. We're highly convenient. We have over 28,000 ATMs you can use without a surcharge. And some of the mega banks are out there advertising their big ATM networks, which is pretty important to people, but we actually have more than them. And if you go to our mobile web application, you can actually find them and get them on your iPhone, or just total convenience if you're looking for it.
There is nothing more frustrating when you realize you don't have cash and you're not near your particular bank, and then you get that surcharge.
Absolutely, and we take that and make it just, you can go so many ATMs all across the country, 28,000.
You have branches from North County to the South Bay, East County. If we want to find out where the one is closest to us, best website to go to?
Well, if you don't have our mobile app, download it on your phone so you can find it, wherever you are. You could also go to the website SDCCU.com, and certainly it'll be right there for you.
Now, I know it broke your heart. You had to move here from Sacramento, but you're struggling to make it here in, not so beautiful San Diego.
Right. It's a real struggle to live in San Diego.
It's a challenge, isn't it?
It is.
Teresa, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you. My pleasure.
San Diego County Credit Union, and we'll drive people to your website for all the information. Again, you're really big in the community, not for profit, and anyone can be a part of your organization.
Yes.
Thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you.
Good to see you. All right.